In this video, I will show you how to create a payment link in Revolut. To do this, first just go and open up the Revolut app, and what you want to go and do is click Payments in the bottom. From there, click plus in the top right, and then one of the 8 options you see here is Link. So click on Link, and then you have 2 options. You can either send money, or in this case, probably you want to request money. So select Request Money, and then here you have your general links, so there the person can choose how much they want to send to you. What you can also do is click Request a specific amount in the bottom. Then from there you can choose how much that is. So for example 50 euros, then you can add a note if you want, and then just click Create Link. From there you will then have created this link, and you can now copy it and share it with whoever you want to have pay this link. So that's basically how to create a payment link in Revolut. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.